The mighty Bitcoin, once brought to its knees, has risen from the ashes stronger and more resilient than ever. Today, Bitcoin stands tall at $41,000, a height not seen since April 2022. Let's rewind to the collapse of Terra USD and Lunacoin just last year. The cryptosphere was in a state of chaos, with the downfall of these two leading cryptocurrencies wiping off a staggering $40 billion from the market. Bitcoin, the titan of the digital currency world, was not spared, its value plummeting dramatically. But as they say, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. The tide has turned in favor of Bitcoin. In a remarkable comeback, the price of Bitcoin surged to a whopping $41,943. That's a growth of over 150% since the start of the year. This resurgence is a testament to Bitcoin's resilience and ability to bounce back from adversity. It's a story of a phoenix rising from the ashes, ready to take on the world. The phoenix of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, has proven its resilience, and it's just the beginning. So, what's fueling this impressive comeback of Bitcoin? Let's delve into the elements playing their part. First, we have the expectation of a rate cut by the Federal Reserve. This anticipation is a crucial driving factor. Why, you ask? Well, a rate cut generally leads to more money flowing into the economy, making investments like Bitcoin more attractive. Next, let's discuss the potential approval of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, or ETF. This is a game changer for traditional investors. An ETF approval simplifies the process of investing in Bitcoin by allowing investors to purchase shares of the fund on traditional exchanges, just like they would with any other publicly traded company. Finally, we can't overlook the role of major investment firms in this resurgence. Established players such as BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK Invest, and Invesco have all filed applications for a Bitcoin ETF. This not only signals their confidence in the cryptocurrency, but also adds more legitimacy to it. With these factors in play, it's clear why Bitcoin is on a bullish trajectory. The future of Bitcoin looks brighter than ever, but what does it hold? Let's explore. The recent ruling against the Securities and Exchange Commission by a federal appeals court in August has sparked heightened anticipation for the approval of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. This is a game changer. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF could simplify investment for traditional investors, bringing a wave of new capital into the Bitcoin market. This influx of funds could potentially drive the price of Bitcoin even higher, creating a positive feedback loop of increasing investment and rising prices. Looking at the current trends, the potential for a rate cut by the Federal Reserve further amplifies the positive outlook for Bitcoin. With the traditional financial world becoming more intertwined with the world of decentralized finance, the boundaries are blurring, and Bitcoin is positioned right at the forefront of this transformation. The recent surge in Bitcoin's value, reaching $41,000 for the first time since April 2022, is a testament to the resilience and potential of this digital asset. With the wind in its sails, Bitcoin is set to conquer new peaks. The future indeed looks promising. If you have not yet diversified into Bitcoin, many crypto will tell you now is the time. Not only for the reasons we have discussed, but also the Bitcoin halving event that is scheduled for early April of 2024. The halving events happen every 4 years, and after each one of the previous events, the entire crypto market has gone on legendary bull runs. Many experts expect the next crypto bull run to be the biggest we will see in history. There are ways you can obtain free Bitcoin if you are willing to do a little bit of research. There is a free report available to you at www.igetminefree.com that will share with you a dozen ways newbie crypto investors can obtain free Bitcoin. That website again is at www.igetminefree.com. The link is in the description. The next bull run is on its way. If you're going to participate, now is the time to get yourself educated and jump in. Happy investing.